Hello, good morning. This week's update. I'm going to start off with FX, and one of the positions we've had for a little while now, which is EURCAD. You can see the buy signal that was down at that weekly, monthly and daily support, so it doesn't get much more powerful than that. So long from down there. Edged higher, was looking pretty good for some of yesterday, but still have that long position, and we have a raised stop from where we were at the beginning. Look at the euro, see a minor breakout, didn't quite do it on a closing basis. And then we have dollar index, still pretty quiet, isn't it? It's edged lower, there's various supports there, not really doing a great deal. Still have this weekly level at 97.13, which is the key to the upside. Dollar yen had a negative. It's just been tracking equities, so it's down whatever. So it's not really trading in its own right, as it were. So there were some minor negatives we saw on the S&P that didn't really develop. We just sat at the top until on Friday, and then as soon as the S&P breaks up, then dollar yen breaks up. So no surprise there. It has no will of its own. Get some negatives on the Aussie dollar on Thursday, but it didn't break a key short-term level, so we were hanging fire there. It had to go about another 20 points lower than Thursday's close, and then it's reversed back up. So you had some bad news, good action there, really. Kiwi had lots of minor buy signals appear without really instilling any confidence whatsoever, and I haven't been getting involved in it. Where we would be involved is down at this weekly level at 66.75. Pound, very, very quiet. I think everyone's just exasperated and given up and don't really know what they want to do with it. It feels like it's going to continue in a pretty quiet mode as everyone decides to avoid it, because there's just so much event risk. When there is a lot of event risk, what tends to happen is nothing. On to dollar CAD, you can see that positive in sideways on Thursday, which helped the euro cross to a certain extent, and then it's just reversed it on Friday. So EURCAD's still the one to go, but pretty quiet overall in FX. Can't be